Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. Tomorrow you all are going to write the half yearly exams, okay? What exam tomorrow you all are going to write? Maths exam, okay? You have to write the maths exam very well. So listen the revision video carefully, okay? Today I will give the revision for the maths exam, okay? You have to listen this video carefully, then only you have to answer the maths exam very well, okay? It is very useful for you. You have to write the exams very well and clear, okay? This is only revision video. This is not a question paper for your exam, okay? Don't write this revision as the same answer in your question paper, okay? This is the method for the question paper. You have to write the answer for the question will be asked in the question paper, okay? You have to write the answer for the question papers asked questions, okay? You don't write this in the question paper. This is the method for you, okay? This is one like a example for your question paper. You have to listen this, then only you have to write the exams very well, okay? Don't write this in your question paper exams, okay? This is one example for you, okay? See this video carefully, then only you have to answer the question paper very well, okay? All of you write the exams very well, okay? All the best for you. Next I will give the revision for your second maths exam, okay? I already sent the question pattern for you, okay? I will teach the revision, okay? See first one. What is the first Roman? Write the numbers name. Write the numbers name, okay? First one what? 54. First one what? 54. You already know the numbers name, two digit numbers name you already very well known about, okay? What is the first number? 54. You already know what is the spelling for 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 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 50. And 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. This is called 54. This is the numbers name for 54, okay? In previous class I already taught you the numbers name for 3 digit, okay? It is also very easy for you, okay? First you know the place value for this numbers. 257, okay? 257. What you tell, you have to write the spelling for the word, okay? You have to write the spelling for the word. What will you speak, okay? 257, okay? First write 200, okay? You tell 257. So first write 200 spelling for 200. TWOHUNDERD 100. 200, okay? And 57. And you know the spelling for and and 257. FIFTY 50 SEVEN 757. So 257, okay? This is the numbers name for 3 digit, okay? You have to write the numbers name for 3 digit. If the question will be asked in 3 digit, you have to write like this, okay? This is very important. The third one is 45. You know the spelling for 40. If 4 means the spelling is FOUR. 40 means the spelling is FORTY. The U did not write in 40, okay? You have to write U in 4. You did not write U in 40, okay? 45. FIVE 5, okay? This is the numbers name, okay? This is the numbers name. I hope you all very well known about the numbers names, okay? I hope you all are very well known about the numbers name, okay? Next I will teach the second Roman, okay? The second Roman is fill-ups, okay? You have to write the fill-ups answer correctly. Means you have to read thoroughly and memorize the properties I will given, okay? I already given, okay? I already given the properties. The first homework of your second term, that is the property of the shapes, okay? You have to thoroughly memorize the properties. Then only you have to write the fill-ups answers, okay? See the first one. Square is a dash shape, okay? The dash, in the dash place you have to write the answer. Square is a dash place. Square is a dash place means what? Square is a closed shape. Square is a what? Square is a closed shape, okay? Square is a closed shape. What is the spelling for closed? You already know what is the meaning for closed. If the shape is don't have open, okay? If the shape Like imagine square. The square is covered with all the sides. Okay, there is no open in one place. There is no open, so that is square called closed shape. Okay, square is called closed shape. If triangle also closed, rectangle also closed, okay, and circle also closed shape. Okay, if open means in the shape, is there any open space is there means you have to write that is a open space. Okay, that is a open shape. See the first one, square is a dash shape. I already told you that square is what? Square is covered with all sides, so that is a closed shape. What is the spelling for closed? What is the spelling for closed? C-L-O-S-E-D, closed. Okay, C-L-O-S-E-D, closed. Like that, circle is a dash curve. Circle is also a closed curve. C-L-O-S-E-D, closed. Stamp is an example of dash. You have to imagine the stamp. Stamp is an example of dash. Stamp is an example of dash. Square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay, stamp is like square. All the four sides are equal. Okay, if you have to write the second Roman correct means you have to thoroughly memorize the property. Okay, I already give the property, and today also I will send the PDF for the property. You have to read it very carefully and memorize all thoroughly. Okay, then only you have to fulfill the fill up second Roman. Okay, next we will see the third Roman. Next we will see the third Roman. Third Roman what? Match it. Okay, third Roman what? Match it. Match it you already know. It is very easy. You have to match the shapes and names. Okay, shapes and their names. Okay, first one what? Square. Square. In the 5 shapes, which one is square? In the 5 shapes, which one is square? In the 5 shapes, see the 5 shapes, which one is square? Okay, which one is square? Third one, this shape is square. Okay, and which one is rectangle? This one is, the fourth one is rectangle, so write 2 in this place. Okay, and the next one, what? Which one is triangle? This one is triangle, so write 3. So write 3 in the place. Okay, next, which one is cube? Which one is cube? You have to write 4 in the cube. You have to write 4 in the cube. Okay, you have to write 4 in the cube. Okay, first see. First, which one is square? This one is square. So write 1 in the square shape. Next one, rectangle. Which one is rectangle? This fourth one is rectangle. So write 2 in the fourth place. Okay, you have to write the question and answer and put 1, 2, 3 for the correct answers. Okay. Third one, triangle. Which one is triangle? This one is triangle. So write 3. Fourth one, cube. Which one is cube? The first one is cube. So write 4. And fifth one is horizontal line. Which one is horizontal line? This one is horizontal line. Okay, this is the way you have to match this 5. Okay, this 5 shapes. Okay, this is very easy for you. Okay, next I will give the revision for the